Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Today, my group and I will be presenting our topic for the course Fiqh Muamalat. Our presentation is about the credit sale system, also known as Ba'i Bitaman Ajil or BBA in property financing in Malaysia. This concept is one of the main Islamic financing methods used by financial institutions, especially for property purchases. Before we start, let me introduce our group members. Our group consists of 7 members: Putri Nurin Afrina binti Abdul Rahman, Yasmin Afrina binti Sharhan, Nur Sayyidati binti Muhammad Nordin, Nur Maisarah binti Muhammad Sabri, Nur Syahirah binti Muhammad Sabri, Siti Nur Marisha binti Muhammad Razid, and myself Nurinda Mia binti Alang Ahmad Shah. These are the members who work together to complete this presentation. So for today's presentation, we will cover 6 main parts. The first one is understanding Ba'i Bitaman Ajil. Number 2 is how BBA works in Malaysia. Number 3 is BBA financing explanation. Number 4 is credit sale financing BBA in Malaysia. Number 5 is advantages and disadvantages of BBA. And lastly is the conclusion. We hope this presentation helps everyone understand the concept of BBA more easily.
First of all, Ba'i Bitaman Ajil or BBA is an Islamic financing method based on a credit sale. In simple words, it means the customer buys something now and pay for it later in installments. This concept is used in Islamic finance because it avoids interest, which is not allowed in Islam. Instead of charging interest like conventional banks, the Islamic bank sells the asset at a higher price that both parties agree on the beginning. The customer then pays this selling price over a period of time. This makes the transaction clear and Sharia compliant. The main purpose of BBA is to allow Muslims to own property or asset in a way that follow Islamic rules. In Malaysia, BBA is one of the earliest and most common Islamic financing method, especially for property financing. The process is quite straightforward. First, the customers choose the property or asset they want to buy. Then, the bank purchases that asset from the seller. After that, the bank sells the asset back to the customer at a higher deferred price. This price already includes the bank profit. The customer pays this amount through monthly installment over an agreed period. All the terms, including the final selling price and repayment schedule, are fixed at the start. Because of this, both the bank and the customer have certainty, and there are no changes or hidden charges later.
BBA financing is widely used because it is simple and follow Islamic principle. One of the key features is the price is fixed and cannot be changed once the contract is signed. This makes the agreement transparent and predictable for the customer. BBA also provides flexibility because customer can choose repayment period that match with their income and financial ability. Another reason BBA is important is because it avoids riba or interest, which is prohibited in Islam. This allows customers to buy home or other assets in a way that align with their religious belief while still having access to the modern banking service.
In Malaysia, credit sale financing like BBA plays a big role in supporting the Islamic finance industry. Many banks use BBA as an alternative to conventional loans because it follows Sharia principle and is easy to implement. Customers benefit because they can own property or asset without involving interest. The contract is clear, the selling price is fixed, and both parties understand their responsibilities. This helps build trust between the customer and the bank. Overall, BBA has become one of the most recognized Islamic financing methods in Malaysia, and it continues to support the growth and development of the Islamic banking sector.
Advantages. BBA is Sharia compliant, which means it avoids interest or riba, so it follows Islamic rules. The price is fixed, which makes it transparent and predictable. Customers know exactly how much they will pay. BBA allows a flexible repayment period so people can choose a plan that matches their income. Overall, It helps Muslims own property or other assets easily while following their religious beliefs.
Now, the disadvantages. Number 1 is the total cost may be higher than conventional loans because the bank adds its profit to the price. Number 2, early settlement may not always reduce profit proportionally, so paying off the loan early might not save much. Number 3, BBA has less flexibility if a customer's financial situation changes. Once the schedule is set, it's hard to adjust. Number 4 is finally it requires good financial discipline because customers must pay their installments on time to avoid problems. So, basically, BBA is a Sharia-friendly financing method that helps people buy property or assets, but it also has some costs and responsibilities that customers need to consider.
BIMCK2013 BBA is a significant Islamic financing method that enables customers to purchase property without involving interest, which aligns with the principle of Sharia. The process is transparent and straightforward as the selling price is agreed upon at the start, ensuring fairness for both parties. This clarity and compliance with Islamic law make BBA a trustworthy and ethical alternative to conventional loans. Moreover, BBA plays a crucial role in the growth of Islamic finance in Malaysia, offering more people access to property ownership while adhering to Islamic values. Its continued adoption reflects the increasing awareness and preference for financial solutions that are both ethical and practical. For these reasons, BBA not only provides a valuable alternative to conventional loans, but also strengthens the foundation of a responsible and inclusive financial system in Malaysia. That's all from us. Thank you.